So at the point where it starts to drop down, that's your P max value or your knee point value, and correspondingly you'll note down the I and V value, which is your IM and VM. Now when you substitute that back in the formula, that is VM P max by PT, which is VM into IM by VOC into ISC. ISC VOC you took down, VM IM you'll find out from the graph. You'll find that the fill factor is about, for me it was 0.711, and that's the experiment. So now to take the readings, basically you can see our first initial reading is like 0.56 milliamps, corresponding voltage is 4.68, and as in when you increase your ammeter readings, you can see that voltage is decreasing, and over here once you can see, like, it will keep on decreasing, and at one point your voltage will be maximum and current will be minimum, or vice versa, depending on from where you start. Now you calculate the power corresponding to that, and once you calculate that power, what you're going to do is you're going to plot that. So you're going to plot I versus P graph, and make sure that you get a graph like this. So initially you can see that the readings are almost like in a straight line, which is what you are expected to get, and after some time you can see it will be decreasing. Now the point where it decreases is your today's experiment is solar cell characteristics. We are going to find its fill factor using this formula P max by PT. I'll explain the terms later. This is the circuit diagram. The circuit is very simple. So we're going to look at the circuit diagram. This is a diode in the diagram, and from the positive you'll connect to the key 2, and from that same key 2 you'll connect it to the positive of the voltmeter. Now from the other end of the key 2 you'll connect to the positive end of the ammeter, and from the negative end of the ammeter you'll connect a potentiometer, and the other end of the potentiometer you'll connect it to K1, and from that same terminal you'll go back to your negative of the diode. Now the remaining end of this K1 will be connected to the voltmeter, and when you switch on the thing, so you'll see ammeter is showing some readings and voltmeter is showing some readings. So in our experiment they said to keep it at 150 microamps, but this won't go below like 50 microamps, so, or 0.5 milliamps. So this is a minimum value. And to get the your ISC and VOC, so basically for ISC you open K1 and you let through the voltage, and this is your ISC. So this current is your ISC current. Now you close K1 and open K2, and whatever voltage reading you get, that's your VOC. Now for the experiment you're gonna close both the keys, and you'll be increasing in some terms of voltage and taking the corresponding corresponding current and voltage readings. So